Our other big project is that we as ACES would either lease or buy a ranch that comes for sale. Our goal was to keep property locally owned and locally managed, and then to provide grazing access to especially young producers who have a hard time getting into agriculture and staying in agriculture. When property comes up for sale, it's usually too expensive for agriculture to pay for. So that means that they're absentee landowners who are usually buying property for its recreation value. And the reason that that matters is those people don't live in our community. We only have 500 people in our county. We need every person to be on volunteer fire and ambulance and school board and county commissioner and all of those things. So when people buy property and then they don't live here, it really impacts everything.